Hi there and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun fall drink. It is an apple cider donut milkshake using our xanthan gum, apple pie syrup, and our baked bread extract. Let's get started. This drink is extremely easy to make. We are just going to take all of our ingredients and add it to the blender with some ice and blend it up. First off, we have 1 cup of apple cider. Don't use apple juice. Definitely make sure you get an apple cider for this because you really want that apple cider flavor. 1/4 cup of milk. Your milk of choice. We're using a whole milk here. It's a little bit thicker. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of our baked bread extract to really give it that donut flavor, bready flavor. And then we are using some of our xanthan gum. This is a thickening agent, so it's gonna help keep everything together when it's mixed up, so your drink's not gonna separate in 2 minutes after blending it. And lastly, we'll just add some ice. All right, and before we forget, we should probably add in the apple pie syrup here. It's just 2 pumps of it. And we're just gonna blend it up one more time to make sure that's nice and incorporated. Beautiful. All right, so we're just gonna take this and pour it into a glass here. And we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream as well as a cinnamon sugar mixture. I mix cinnamon with a little bit of sugar and there you have it, an apple cider donut milkshake. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do make this at home, be sure to share some images with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Amoretti. Also, to stay up to date with all of our promos, our new products, giveaways, subscribe to our channel below, and also our newsletter. We'll see you next time.